riembo sirikal, corruption dhi mbele, ikwale, to bende itiyo kode yo marach, ma koro nyaka chal.
Sawa. Mokwongo, atimo ng'ane Edio wacho wach maber kabisa. Ni penjo moro. Ni to ang' momiyo sirkal noholo gowi maduong' moloyo any other time. Takoni niya, ni treasury ne en empty. To wacho ni Ruto nowacho adieri ni nitie only 90, was it 90 million or 90 million? 90 million. To chako penjo, nochul police gang'o. Ochako penjo, ni nochul jopuonj gang'o, and many other activities. Nyiso ni odwokore kende. Ni sirkal ne nyaka hol pesa. Go temo cover up. No, just a minute. So, ochako temo cover up, ni there was nothing. And King Iyo, tipo nongo ni the first 3 months, nitie pesa mano hol. Just a minute. Inge ni pesa te ok nyaka hol externally. Wachen gimo wacho en external borrowing. Iwinjo. Pesa te ok nyaka hol externally. Pesa moko inyalo hol internally. But gima ber en e Senate nitie gima biro penje. Mar ariyo, kowacho gowi mar Kibaki, ni ne duong' moloyo gowi ni. Ok en adieri. Owach no arento budget mar Kenya. The time mane moyo what was our budget, annual budget per year? The time manyocha Uhuru what was our annual budget per year? Kane moyo ne pokwa chopo in terms of in trillions. Ne podwani billions. And I don't have the statistics. No, just a minute. So if you look at the budget, manyocha waran go government, samakoro Uhuru obiro, the budget man waran go government, samane Kibaki obiro, the difference is so huge. Kata king'iyo the debt mane Kibaki inherit, the debt mane Ruto inherit, the difference is so huge. And I don't have statistics, but I would say...
And statistics I can help you.
You don't have it.
And statistics I can help you.
Just a minute. Ibo nyiswani budget mar Kenya, the annual budget mar Kenya, 2001, 2002, and then the budget mar Kenya, 2021, 2022, Nenadi. Okay. Because you'll find the difference is so huge. That was in billions, this one is in trillions. So Kiwacho, the difference was small, it is not true. The difference was the difference was quite big. To Bende, there are so many issues we say raise, and you are in the Senate. Akiani, out of those issues, how many you have raised in the floor of the Senate?
I will tell you.
Yes, okay.
Koro, adwa bunda konyo wadwa Owino ingene Owino
kiki konya kony piny
adwa konyi un muketho piny nikech ukawo piny ukete sirikal mokti u support sirikal mokti ka mondo mukwer sirikand no endo nitie gimiluongo ni relativity tiende ni king'iyo budget ma 2003 to gi king'iyo budget ma 2022 ok ing'iyo in terms of absolute value ok ing'iyo in terms ni pesa dima en kanyen trillion.
I agree.
In terms of percentage.
No, I agree. And therefore, do this. No. I want to correct you. Do this. You told me you have figures.
Yes, but
tell us. Ngoja. I understand. I'm a sharp student.
Yes.
Tell us, need the budget mar Kenya when Kibaki, when Moi was leaving ne pesa di. First of all, tell us that. Then tell us the budget mar Kenya when Uhuru was leaving, Nen Pesadi. Then now come to relativity. Tell us. That's not how and even in the relativity.
That's not how these things work.
I've just said. We don't look at value.
Something very
important. I've said a very simple thing. Ni wacho ni statistics. Adwa ni kuongi nyiswaka. Ni budget mar Kenya in 2001, 2002 kane Moi wuok ne en pesa di. Budget mar Kenya nyocha kakoro Uhuru wuok ne en pesa di. Then it be relativity miwacho no. Mondo wangi even the value of the currency at that time and the value at that particular time. Mondo wangi nito could the values have been similar or different?
No.
So carry on.
Owino, I don't want to kaka budget tiyo.
We were not talking about budget. No. We are not talking about budget. We are talking about statistics. Budget ma 2001, 2002. And what budget for Kenya? Then budget masani. Manyocha uru nigo. I'm ready to face you. Answer me.
Because he statistics, no?